we have to simplify this one. Tan inverse x upon square root of a square minus x square, where condition is mod x is less than a. We have to simplify this one. So for this one we are taking substitution. Let's say x equal to a sin theta, x equal to a sin theta, and therefore now we can write given trigonometric ratio, given inverse trigonometric ratio as a tan inverse, replacing this x with a sin theta upon square root of a square minus replacing x square with a square sin square theta. Therefore this one is tan inverse a sin theta upon, here from a square minus a square sin square theta we can take a square common, so its square root is a, and remaining one is square root of 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta, and square root is cos theta. Done. So a will be cut, and here we are getting tan inverse sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So what is tan inverse tan theta? Is equal to theta when theta lies, है ना? Condition is when theta lies in the principal range of tan inverse minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. And what is theta? So from here we can say our theta is nothing but the, है ना? Here we can write sin theta. Sin theta is x upon a, and therefore our theta is sin inverse x by a. So our answer must be in terms of sin inverse x by a. This is the simplest form of this given tan inverse. Done. Now next question number 10. So here in our question number 10 we are given that simplify the given inverse trigonometric ratio, that is tan inverse bracket 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. Condition is a is greater than 0 and value of x minus a by root 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a upon root 3. We have to simplify this given trigonometric ratio. So now here we can see this is nothing but the formula of tan 3 theta. So here we are taking x equal to a tan theta. So if you are taking x equal to a tan theta, this will be converted as tan inverse. Now replacing x with a tan theta, so it's a 3a square, x is a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube divided by a cube minus 3a, x is a tan theta square. Done. Now simplify this one. So this one is tan inverse 3a square into a, so it's a 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a square tan square theta. So 3a into a square, it's a 3a cube tan square theta. Done. Now here we can see this a cube is common. Here a cube is common, denominator a cube is common, so it will be cut. Therefore we are getting tan inverse a cube is common and it will be cancelled out. So this one is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole divided by a cube is common, it's a 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now all of you know this is the formula of tan 3 theta. So hence we can say tan inverse, this one is tan 3 theta. Done. So tan inverse tan 3 theta, that is equal to theta. And here what is the value of theta? So from this substitution, we can say our theta is tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a. So replacing our theta with tan inverse, so it's a 3 tan inverse x by a. Done. So this one is simplest form of this given inverse trigonometric ratio. Clear, friends? So now, so question number 11. So here we have to simplify tan inverse 2 cos bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Done. We have to simplify this one. So here what we can do, here this one is tan inverse. Now sin inverse 1 by 2 is there, so replace this 1 by 2. So this one is 2 cos 2 sin inverse. Now replacing 1 by 2, what is the value of 1 by 2? It's a sin pi by 6. So this one is sin pi by 6. Replacing 1 by 2 with sin pi by 6. So this one is sin inverse sin pi by 6. And therefore, we can write this one as a tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse sin pi by 6 is nothing but the pi by 6, because pi by 6 lies in the principal range of sin inverse, which is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Done. So here 2 into pi by 6 is nothing but the pi by 3, and therefore we can write this one as a tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. 2 cos pi by 3. Now here you can put the value of this cos pi by 3. So this one is tan inverse 2 into cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So 2 to cut, and therefore this one is tan inverse 1. So what is 1? We can replace this one as a tan pi by 4. Done. Tan inverse tan pi by 4, 1 equal to putting tan pi by 4. So this one is tan inverse tan pi by 4. This is equal to pi by 4, because we can say this pi by 4 lies in the principal range of tan inverse, which is open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So simplest form of this given inverse trigonometric ratio is pi by 4. Clear, friends? Very good question was there. Now next one is question number 12. Question number 12. So here it is given that cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. So we know the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, so which is nothing but the pi by 2. Pi by 2. Done. And what is the value of cot pi by 2? 0. So this is how we can solve question number 11 and 12. Okay, friends. Now question number 13. Question is tan 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Condition is mod x must be less than 1, y greater than 0, and here multiplication of xy is less than 1. Done. So here we have to simplify this given trigonometric ratio. So first we have to convert this sin inverse and cos inverse in terms of tan inverse. So we are having one formula. We can write 2 tan inverse, है formula is 2 tan inverse x is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. That is the formula to convert 2 tan inverse x into sin inverse x, and another formula to convert tan inverse x into cos inverse. So here 2 tan inverse y is there, because we are having terms cos inverse in terms of y. So 2 tan inverse y is nothing but the cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So simply just you have to replace this value of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square by these two terms. Done? So here, this one is tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is nothing but the 2 tan inverse x, is nothing but the 2 tan inverse x, plus this one cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square is nothing but the 2 tan inverse y. So this one is 2 tan inverse y. Done? Now 2 is common, so 2 will be cut. So we are having tan of this one tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we are having one more formula, that is for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Done? 1 plus यहाँ पर tan inverse आएगा. Done? So tan inverse, so this one is tan of formula. What is the formula? It's a tan inverse x plus y का हो गया x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Here xy is less than 1, and that's why we are using this formula. And this one tan into tan inverse x is equal to x plus y 1 minus xy. This is the simplification of this question number 13. Chalo. Now question number 14, 1 4 14. So here question is, if sine equation is given, if value of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, this is equal to 1. Question is, then find the value of x. We have to solve this equation, we have to find the value of this x. Done? So this is the question in which we have to solve the equation. So here let's start with this given equation. This is given. Now taking this sign in the right hand side, therefore we can write this one as a sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to sine inverse 1. Done? So what is sine inverse 1? Value of sine inverse 1. So sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, this is equal to sine inverse sine pi by 2 है ना. Sine pi by 2 is 1, so sine inverse sine pi by 2 is nothing but the pi by 2 है ना. यहाँ पर therefore लिखेंगे, therefore sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. What is the reason? Because pi by 2 lies in the principal range of sine inverse, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Now taking this cos inverse x on the right hand side, hence we are having sine inverse 1 by 5 equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. We are having one more formula, that is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, and therefore pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is nothing but the sine inverse x, and therefore here we can say sine inverse 1 by 5, and this is equal to sine inverse x. So here both these inverse trigonometric ratios are equal. Sine inverse 1 by 5 is equal to sine inverse x, and therefore we can say x is nothing but the 1 by 5 that we have to find. Value of x is 1 by 5. Clear? So this is our question number 14. So now you can take the screenshot and note it down. So question number 15. Question is, if tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2, this is equal to pi by 4. This is given. If this is equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. We have to find the solution of this equation. So what is the value of x? तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? देखो, tan pi by 4 is given. So first we are replacing this pi by 4 with tan inverse 1. Done? Because tan pi by 4 is 1, so tan inverse 1 will be pi by 4. So here first one is tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2. This is equal to tan inverse 1. Replace this 1 with tan pi by 4. So we are getting pi by 4. So pi by 4 is nothing but the tan inverse 1. Now for the simplification, and for the ease of simplification, we are taking this tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 on the right hand side. यहाँ पर भी आप फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो थोड़ा टिपिकल हो जाएगा, तो इसको सामने ले लो. So this one is tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2. So formula आ गया tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, है ना. We are applying that formula over here. So this one is tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2. This is equal to, ये क्या होगा, ये होगा tan inverse 1 minus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 upon x plus 2, है ना. ये पूरा tan inverse हो गया. Now simplify that. So this one is tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2. This is equal to tan inverse. Now here simplification is x plus 2 minus x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 2, that will be cut out. Here it's a x plus 2 plus x plus 1, है ना. x plus 2 डिनोमिनेटर में कट हो जाएगा. So this one is tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2. This is equal to tan inverse x गया 2 minus 1 is 1 upon x plus x 2x plus 2 plus 1 3. Now these both trigonometric ratios, inverse trigonometric ratios are equal, so we can compare these both the angles, and therefore we can write x minus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 3. So now we have to solve this equation. So perform cross multiplication. So this will be x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Now expansion, so it will be 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 equal to x minus 2. So this one is 2x square plus x minus 3 minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So this one is 2x square plus x minus x is cut, minus 1 will be converted into plus. So x square equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x will be plus or minus 1 upon root 2. X equal to plus or minus root 2 is the solution of this given trigonometric equation. Clear friends? So very good question was there. Take a screenshot. So from question number 16 to 18, we have to find the value of these given expressions. So given expression is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Done. So here we are having formula is यहीं पर लिखते हैं sin inverse sin x, that will be equal to x when x lies in principal range of sin inverse, that is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and here this 2 pi by 3 is not in the interval of this minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. No, this is closed interval. So first we have to transform this angle in this interval. ये सारे सम्स हमने कर दिए हैं. It's a sin inverse sine. Now transforming this 2 pi by 3 as a pi minus pi by 3. Check it. Pi minus pi by 3, 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. What is pi minus pi by 3? Pi minus pi by 3, है ना, will lies in this second quadrant. ये pi आ गया, ये pi by 2 आ गया, ये 0 and 2 pi आ गया, और ये 3 pi by 2. So pi minus second quadrant sign is positive. So sin pi minus pi by 3 will be pi by 3. So this one is nothing but the pi by 3, because pi by 3 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2, which is principal range of sin inverse. Done. So our answer is pi by 3. Chalo. Next question is question number 17. यहाँ पर करते हैं 17 नंबर. So here we are given tan inverse 10 pi by 3, tan 3 pi by 4. So what is the property? Property of tan inverse says that if tan inverse tan x is there, then we can directly write this one as a x. Condition is x must be in the principal range of tan inverse, that is open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Then if x lies in the open interval of tan inverse, which is minus pi by 2 pi by 2, we can write tan inverse tan x equal to x. But here the given angle, which is 3 pi by 4, is not in the interval of minus pi by 2 pi by 2, and hence we have to transform this angle into this interval. So this one is tan inverse tan. This 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Writing this angle in second quadrant. Second quadrant में आ जाओ. Second quadrant में क्या होता है देखो. In second quadrant all S T C only sine and cosine are the positive, all others are negative. So this tan will be negative, and therefore this one is tan inverse minus tan of pi minus, so it's a pi by 4. Done. And therefore we can write this one as a tan inverse minus tan pi by 4 as a tan minus pi by 4, because we know that another property, tan minus tan theta is equal to tan minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is equal to tan of minus theta, because tan is odd function. So taking this minus sign with this angle, so now we are having tan inverse tan theta, which is in the principal range of tan inverse, that is open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So our answer is minus pi by 4. Tan inverse tan minus pi by 4 equal to minus pi by 4. Done. Question number 18. Very good question is there. All about the formula. Formula आ गया तो जंग जीत गए. So tan sin inverse 3 by 5, tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Done. We have to simplify this one. So now this is the angle of tan. So first we'll try to convert this sin inverse and cot inverse into tan. So here we are having the transformation. Transformation says that sin inverse x can be converted into tan inverse x by taking x as a x upon square root of 1 minus x square, and this cot inverse x is converted into tan inverse x by taking its reciprocal. So sin inverse x is nothing but the tan inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square. So this sin is converted into tan, this cot is required to be converted into tan inverse. तो देखो करते हैं इसको solve. So this is equal to tan. Now sin inverse x is there. So sin inverse x is required to be converted into tan inverse x upon square root of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So this one is tan inverse x is 3 by 5 upon square root of 1 minus x square, which is 9 by 25. Done. So this is conversion of sin inverse into tan inverse, plus cot inverse is converted into tan inverse by taking its reciprocal, so it's a 2 by 3. तो ये हो गया हमारा conversion. Now we have to simplify it. So simplification is tan, this one is tan inverse 3 by 5, this one is 25 minus 9, 16 by 25, 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. So here 5 cut, so this is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. So again formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y can be solved as tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So simplify this. This one is tan inverse tan inverse, simplification of this one, take 12 as LCM, so it's a 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 upon 12 whole divided by 12 minus 6, है ना, 4 3 are 12 minus 6, so it's a 6 by 12, 12 से 12 गया, so this one is 10 into tan inverse 9 plus 8, 17 by 6, 17 by 6, so tan inverse 10, so this is nothing but the 17 by 6 is the solution of this given trigonometric equation. Clear, students? So now question number 19 MCQ. So 19 number says that cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6, so this is equal to, so here cos inverse formula क्या हमारे पास, property says that cos inverse cos x equal to x when x belongs to क्लोज इंटरवल 0 to pi, लेकिन ये 7 pi by 6 0 to pi के बीच में नहीं है, उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा, सो दिस वन इज cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6, है ना, ये हो गया ट्रांसफॉर्म, चेक करो 6 2 12, 12 minus 5 7, है ना, ये सब 11 पे कर दिया था, सो दिस वन इज cos इनवर्स cos, देखो 2 pi माइनस कहाँ से होता है, 2 pi माइनस यहाँ पर होता है, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में cos पॉजिटिव होता है, so cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6, so cos inverse cos 5 pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6 lies in this closed interval 0 to pi, therefore this one is nothing but the 5 pi by 6, रीजन लिखेंगे कि 5 pi by 6 belongs to closed interval 0 to pi, डन, तो 5 pi by 6 कौन सा ऑप्शन है, चेक करो, 5 pi by 6 is option number B, option B is the answer, done, option B is the answer for MCQ number 19. 20 करते हैं 20, so this one is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2, done, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2, so here minus 1 by 2 is nothing but the साइन पाई बाई 3 माइनस, पहले तो है ना साइन माइनस थीटा को चेंज करो, है ना, वी नो दैट साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा बिकॉज साइन इज ऑड फंक्शन, सो दिस वन इज साइन इनवर्स, है ना, साइन इनवर्स में भी आया था, तो टेकिंग माइनस साइन कॉमन, बाहर ले लेंगे, कॉमन तो नहीं बोलेंगे, बाहर ले लेंगे, तो इट्स पाई बाई 3 प्लस साइन इनवर्स 1 by 2, साइन इनवर्स 1 by 2, so which value of sin is 1 by 2, so sin pi by 6, so this one is sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse sine pi by 6, so this one is sine pi by 3 plus sine inverse sine pi by 6 is pi by 6 because pi by 6 is in the principal range of sine inverse, done, so this one is sine pi by 6, 6 is the LCM, 2 pi plus pi, so this one is sine 3 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6 is nothing but the sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2, what is sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine pi by 2 is 1, देखो 1 कौन से ऑप्शन में आ रहा है, 1 is option number D, option D is the answer, done, so here तो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन बचा है, वेरी गुड, last question number 21, so here 21 number is there which is tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3, बोलो, डन, तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, करते हैं, तो इट्स अ tan इनवर्स रूट 3 माइनस, है ना, हमने ये प्रॉपर्टी स्टडी की थी, कॉट इनवर्स माइनस थीटा है, उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे पाई में से, सो इट्स अ पाई माइनस कॉट इनवर्स थीटा, है ना, कॉस कॉट एंड सेक ये तीनों पाई में से माइनस होते हैं, सो दिस वन इज पाई माइनस कॉट इनवर्स रूट 3, ये माइनस अभी पाई माइनस हो गया, तो यहाँ से माइनस कैंसिल आउट हो गया, सो नाउ put these values. So this one is tan inverse रूट थ्री माइनस पाई प्लस टेन इनवर्स को करेंगे क्वाट इनवर्स को करेंगे टेन इनवर्स वन अपॉन रूट थ्री. Now put the value. What is tan inverse root 3? Which is pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus pi plus tan inverse 1 upon root 3 is pi by 6. So taking 6 as a LCM. So it's a 2 pi minus 6 pi plus pi. So it's a minus 3. And 2 pi plus pi 3 pi minus 3 pi by 6. So it's a minus pi by 2. Answer is minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 आंसर आ रहा है क्या? Yes, बिल्कुल आंसर आ रहा है. B is the answer. Then students, B is the option. So this is how we can solve our exercise 2.2 students.